Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's Fun Fact Friday. I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July holiday. Fun Fact Friday is a time where I go live for 10 minutes or less to show you all a tool that is available to you that can benefit your real estate business. Now, today we're going to talk a little bit about Snapchat. There are a few different advertising techniques when it comes to Snapchat. Today, we're just going to focus on geofilters, which are really the most accessible to the everyday user. A geofilter, in simple terms, is a digital sticker that is overlaid on top of your Snap. If you are a Snapchat user, you'll know that Snapchat goes ahead and uses your location to provide a variety of daily filters. All you have to do is, when you are in your Snapchat, and you go ahead and snap a photo, just like this. You can go ahead and swipe to the right or to the left, and it's going to come up with a variety of filters, either based on your location, based on what day it is, things like that. You'll see a ton of different ones available to you. So when you create your own geofilter, it will show up in the Snapchat of any user within the location that you set. And here's just a quick example of what a geofilter looks like on a picture. And then you can go ahead and send this out. You can post it to your story. Other users can also send this out using your geofilter or post it to their story as well. Now, how can these apply to your real estate business? Well, geofilters can help you grow your brand awareness in a fun and interactive way. It's an easy and less invasive way to advertise to other users. So, what are some real estate uses for geofilters? First, open houses. You can showcase your open house. You may also draw in a crowd by using the geofilter. During local events, you can create a geofilter during local events such as a high school football game. Snapchat users will see your geofilter pop up, and it's an easy way to advertise and market yourself as an agent. You can also use geofilters to farm a neighborhood. If a potential buyer takes a photo of the house they or someone they know might be interested in and shares it via Snapchat, they'll be presented with the option to add your geofilter, which gives them yet another way to find your company and get in touch. This could also be a fun way to get your clients involved. Have a Design My Geofilter contest and allow people to submit original designs, and then you can showcase the winner. These are just a few different examples. Get creative, come up with other ways. If you can think of other ways or other types of events that you can use a geofilter, post your ideas in the comment box of this video so we can share it with other agents out there as well. So you can actually create geofilters within the Snapchat app on your mobile device, or you can go ahead and create them on your desktop. I created a short video of how to create a geofilter within the app. So we're going to go ahead and run through this real quick. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your Snapchat app. In the upper left-hand corner where you see that circle, go ahead and click on the circle. And then in the upper right, you'll see the settings gear icon. Click on the settings gear icon. You'll see an option that says filters and lenses. Then you're going to click on get started. And since we're talking about filter, go ahead and click on the filter option. And you're going to see that there's tons of different default filters that Snapchat has available for you. So let's say we wanted to do some summer vibes. We can go ahead and pick a summer vibes. You can change the text up at the top. So for example, we can change this one to open house. And then you can go ahead and click the check mark. You can save it, but you can also start from scratch. So what you'll do is you can put in different text. So we'll put in my name. You can put in your license number, for example. And then you can go ahead and place that wherever you want, make it bigger or smaller. You can place additional text. So up at the top, we'll actually put open house today. And that's an example of what your geofilter would look like. You can add different stickers. So we'll go ahead and add a heart sticker down at the bottom. We'll go ahead and put a house emoji up at the top because we are talking about an open house. And you can really customize this to be your own. And whatever you save, this is the GeoFilter that is going to pop up when people swipe left or right. Then you would just choose when you want your GeoFilter to start. So you would put the start time, end time. For example, with this one, we would put the start and end time of your open house. It's going to tell you at the top how much your GeoFilter will cost, and you can adjust your location. So you can make it bigger or smaller, and prices may change depending on the location, size. And then you would just go ahead and purchase your GeoFilter. Like I said, pricing can vary based on the location size and the type of GeoFilter, that kind of stuff. So just keep an eye out for that. Now, if you want it a little bit more customizable with a logo, for example, it may be easier to do it on your desktop. So you would go ahead and go to snapchat.com. Up at the top, click on Create. And then you're going to scroll down until you see Filters and click on Create Now. And what we are going to do, as you can see, it has the same settings as it does on your mobile app version. So it has different default for different events. So once again, we'll just go ahead and choose Summer Vibes. And we'll choose the filter we want to use. Then if you click on the text, you can actually change the text, which we will go ahead and do. And we'll just use the same example. We'll just say open house. And then if you want to add in a logo, up at the top, you're going to see that button that says upload. Go ahead and click on upload. You're going to choose your logo from your desktop. Open. You can adjust the size of your logo, and then you can go ahead and drag it. Oops, there we go. And you can place it wherever you want. Okay. You can change the color of your text. So this text up here, you can change the font. Let's see, when we click on it, you can see you can change the font, the color, the alignment. So do you want it on the left? Do you want it centered? You can change the sizing and the shadow, and then you can also just remove the text. So as you can see, it is very, very customizable. It is, like I said, if you want to use a logo, it may be easier to use it or to create your GeoFilter on your desktop. So then once again, you would just click next once you have everything you want. You would choose the date and time that you want your GeoFilter to go live. So if we wanted it today from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., go ahead and click next. And then here you would just type in your location. And just like on your mobile app, you can go ahead and drag and adjust this if you want a larger area to be able to see your GeoFilter. And then as soon as you check out and purchase, it's going to tell you how much your total is. All you would do is log into your Snapchat, and as soon as your payment goes through, your Snapchat GeoFilter will go live on July 6th from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and the area covered is a total of 79,000 square feet. So it's actually very inexpensive to do this. And like I said, this is a great way to market yourself as an agent. So go ahead and start using GeoFilters. It's a great way. If you're not already on Snapchat, I highly recommend downloading Snapchat. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@ajicorporate.com. I hope you all have a wonderful Friday, and we will see you all next week for another Fun Fact Friday. Bye, everyone.